For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the
What is up, guys? We are out here, Twin River Raceway. Got my buddy Cashy with me. We're out here with...
You probably noticed my mouth because I've been eating watermelon.
He got watermelon all over the place. We're here at Matt Rice's, DNR Autos, the Shitbox Showdown, I believe is what it's called. I'll edit that if it's not. We're out here for the Snake Eater Performance testing shootout. It's 500 to win, free entry. Can't beat it. Waiting on some cars to show up, and then we're gonna knock it out of the park here. Hopefully, we got a first round tune up, so we'll see what we can do. What do you think? You wanna talk to him?
Let's see what we can do to buy merch.
To buy merch.
How much watermelons grow in your belly?
He's spitting them out. What do you think about that watermelon? Oh man, we're gonna have to get some napkins. Dude, we don't have any of Adeline's wipes that we can wipe your face off with. You're gonna be a sticky mess. We are out here. There's about $150 right there smoking.
You're right, ain't that the fucking...
do whatever, grudge race. I will grudge race this thing until it blows up or we're out of fuel. I drove 8 hours, so.
Throw like 6 drums too, so that'll take a while.
You gotta eat?
No.
Yeah, we need to eat.
All
Alright, we gotta eat. I mean, I brought, like, that's all me there, so we should be alright. I am racing in this, so does somebody else want to hold the hat?
Justin, you can.
Well, Justin's supposed to drop the guy in the white truck. There you go. Alright, there you go.
That's fair. I'm gonna stay in the hat now.
Can I do?
Alright, go ahead, driver. Man.
You can draw for me.
Don't be peeking in there.
Jump up there.
Don't be peeking in there.
Special now. Like
Little man's pulling for me.
Alright.
we better not draw each other. I want you. I don't want you. You done drew me last time.
Got you.
What you got?
Big tall guy to see that.
Red.
I got that.
Okay. Good
I
job.
got one.
Here.
Alright, so very simply, the red is. Alright, so Brandon left. And then Houston right.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes,
And
sir.
then who got the white chip?
Yeah, man. Yeah, buddy.
Who got the white chip?
Who got the white chip?
Shit, what me?
No, that's the.
Hop got the buy. Hop got the buy.
So my dad's just about to make a pass. So I'll see you guys there. So my dad's just about to take a hit. He's right there. You all can see the king of the streets, boys. So here you are, king of the streets.
Yeah, I didn't know if it was.
Okay, guys. I think if there's a problem, I'll be right back on here.
Make sure he ain't got the buy.
Well, that's the first time.
All right, go pick it. Go pick it.
Yeah,
Go ahead, Cash.
Yeah, it's got a spray guide there.
If you don't draw the buy, you're getting a whipping.
I got your blue one this time.
I'm a blue one.
Oh,
Can't see. What we got?
That's the first time I tried it, but I was getting toward the end there, and I was like, shit.
That's what?
One left.
I told
What do you got?
Number 4.
Purple S10. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Wicked. The
You got right.
Zephyr.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Left.
Good luck.
Yeah, buddy. Absolutely. Ooh.
And then you got the 5.
So I don't know if you can see me right now, but my dad's just about to make a hit. So I'll see you guys there.
made it through first round. We beat the S10 of Brandon Snyder, I believe his name, from up in Delaware. We got a win against him. Second round, we also got a win against another Turbo S10. I'm pretty sure it's LS. So we're on to third round. We're getting ready to go and see. It'd be nice if we could get a bye to the finals, but we'll see. Car's doing work. It's hot right now, so we're gonna have to let her cool down. So what? Peace. Guys, we're in the finals with Matt Rice from DNR Auto in his twin turbo LS split bumper Camaro. Let's go get a win. That's why we do it right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 7. Damn, I threw an extra 100 in there, so you got it.
That's it, man. And when our split, we good, man.
Hey.
Heck yeah.
Hey, let's get some
Heck
good
yeah.
everybody's in here.
Alright guys, so editing this video, I realized I didn't do a, just a recap of what went on there. It was after midnight, I believe, whenever we got everything finished up. And man, what an awesome night. Free entry, $500 shootout. Matt ended up throwing $100 on top. Me and him decided in the end to do a split, like a 400-200 type of thing. And I couldn't beat it. It is absolutely awesome to have, I didn't pay anything in. I ended up coming home with $400. And we looked at the weather for the next day at that point and was like, we're only about 2-hour drive from Coburn for Twin Rivers. And so we went ahead and, unfortunately, the next day it really did rain. We weren't able to go back. But there in the finals, I mean, how awesome. 2 guys that do YouTube. Matt's got a great YouTube channel. I'm so, it was awesome to see him get that split bumper Camaro and get to see it in person and get to race against it. It was absolutely awesome. It was just I don't want to be cliche, but an honor to get to race him and to get to race them down there at all those guys that I got to race. I think Turbo LS S10. I'm pretty sure the other S10 is an LS Turbo truck. And then Nitrous Small Block Ford Fox body. That's a really good running car. I slipped the tire against him a little bit, and he got out on me, and I was able to bring it up. But the finals against Matt, I pedaled it a couple of times there. It got a little crazy with the bumps in that lane. But other than that, it went right down it. I mean, I couldn't have been happier with the way that the car acted. I mean, it did just spectacular. All the guys there, nobody was out for blood. Everybody was out to have a good time, and just so happened somebody got to go home with the money, which I'm super happy that we did. I mean, I haven't won an event in forever. I've runnered up in a couple with Whitey, but it's really nice and really rewarding to finally get to get in the finals and get a win with the Zephyr. It's been a long time coming. It's pretty awesome. Gigantic shout out to Matt Rice with DNR Auto for putting that race on, coming down to us hillbillies down here and throwing a great race. I mean, I ended up with a shirt. I got a Hot Shots box, like a swag box type thing for winning. And, they treated if you treat my kid good, it's a lot of respect in my book, and you gain my favor. Everybody's super cool with Cash, which he as you can see in the video, he is a live wire. He is something else. Big shout out to Levi for helping me, and to Cashton for getting me some awesome footage. I really appreciate it. And thanks to the guys at Twin River for having us down there. Weather was great for us that night. I really wish we could have came back, and we had the tools to even go faster with the Zephyr. So I'm pretty pumped that we've got a great tune-up for that place. And to all the guys from Delaware and from down there, thank you for having us, and thank you for racing with us and having a good time. So it's going to be it for that video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the